Morning, great afternoon, and great evening to all of us. I would like to share, of course, thank you for this opportunity to share this time about this research, which is I am very interested. Okay, it's all about the benefits of artificial intelligence in business using context-based sustainability towards SDGs achievement. I would like to share first this quotation all about sustainability. Where sustainability is viewed as being a matter of survival for your business, I believe you can create massive change. This is according to Cameron Sinclair, which is very, very true enough. Before we start, I would like to have this a simple definition of terms about the artificial intelligence, the context-based sustainability, because some of you, this is the first time that you already hear or heard about this word, CBS, and the SDGs. Artificial intelligence is technology that enables compute and machines to simulate human learning, comprehension, problem-solving, decision-making, creativity, and autonomy. We have this best AI tools for every business need. Okay, I know all of you or some of you have already done using this. For the applications of artificial intelligence, it is not ordinary for us. We use it in the automobiles, business, education, finance, manufacturing, gaming, and the like. For the context-based sustainability, and also known as context-based accounting, it is an open source, triple multi-bottom line integrated accounting methodology for measuring, managing, assessing, and reporting the performance of organizations and demands for vital resources in the world. And of course, this is, of course, inclined with the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, which is a global blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet, which is adopted by all UN member states in 2015. So if you have to hear or to see all the Unilever, the IKEA, the Interface, all of them are very successful in adopting the context-based sustainability. And they are also part of Fortune 500. So meaning to say, there is a benefits in applying the context-based sustainability, which is in the help of the artificial intelligence. For this study, I have this research objectives, which is, of course, to know the role of AI in business, to understand the context-based sustainability, and to know the benefits of AI in business using this context-based sustainability towards the SDGs achievement. For the methodology, of course, we have qualitative research and content analysis. We have data gathering, data analysis, and data interpretations. We have 132 published papers in a credible journal that we use in this study. And for the results and discussions, we have the role of AI in business, which is we can use it in strategic management and decision-making, financial management and accounting, in automating your bookkeeping process, operations and supply chain management, of course, in the marketing and customer, human resource management, in having the rate, the employee performance value evaluation, for business ethics and corporate governance as well. So these are the roles of AI in business. Again, strategic management and decision-making, you can use the AI, financial management and accounting, operations and supply chain management, marketing and customer experience, which is very crucial, human resource management, which is to avoid bias, business ethics and corporate governance. For the context-based sustainability, we have it is a strategic approach that considers environmental, social, and economic thresholds when making business decisions. Before, we have only used a quantitative or the numbers. But right now, in deciding what will happen to our business or what is the decisions that we have to make our business grow and sustain, we also included the environmental, the social, and the economic thresholds nowadays. So again, the key components, this is the key components of context-based sustainability, the thresholds and allocations, performance measurement, stakeholder considerations, and the adaptive strategies that we have to use. There are also the benefits of context-based sustainability other than being, of course, you have more income in using this context-based sustainability. We have also this riser, okay? This is risk mitigation, competitive advantage, enhance, okay? Decision-making, resilience, and adaptability, which is very in need, okay? Or riser. We have also the challenges. Of course, there are all challenges and there are pros and cons in adopting any idea. Okay. For this time, in implementing the context-based sustainability, we have data availability, which the AI can answer it. Okay. Stakeholder coordination, cost implications, regulatory barriers. It is uncontrollable at times. The context-based in sustainability in business, these are the sum of the companies, which is part of the Fortune 500, adopted this context-based sustainability. Okay, the Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan, okay, Patagonia's Interface, and IKEA's Circular Economy Strategy, which is very good. Another is the benefits of AI to businesses using the context-based sustainability in SDGs achievement. I want you to memorize or to have this global. Okay, again, GLOBAL, global. The first one is G. G is for growth, inclusive, and ethical smart automation. The second one is lean on enhanced decision-making relevance to sustainable goals. Okay, the third one is O, or observe efficient resource management. Okay, if you have to use this AI in adapting into your business the context-based sustainability. The fourth one is B, for better finance, sustainability, and risk mitigation, which is very crucial nowadays. And the letter number 5 is letter A, which is AI-driven circular economy and waste reduction. And for the last one is L, less carbon footprint and negative impact of the climate action. Again, benefits of AI to businesses using the context-based sustainability in SDGs achievement, we have global. Okay? For a conclusion, we have the AI, or the artificial intelligence, when integrated. Okay, again, when integrated with context-based sustainability, helps businesses align, okay, their strategies with the SDGs, ensuring sustainable growth while remaining or maintaining the ethical, environmental, and social responsibility. For my recommendations of this with this study, we need to implement the AI in the business with caution, of course. Encourage businesses to use context-based sustainability, encourages the business owners to be aware of the SDGs and its achievement by 2030. For the future research on specific AI tools per business sector should be studied relevant to SDGs achievement. So these are all the references. Again, thank you so much. I would like to share my personal quote: success comes out when we surpass rejections and failures with a happy heart. Again, thank you so much for listening, and God bless us all. Mabuhay from the Philippines.